Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App Overdraft and Cash App Buy, Now Pay Later. So, let's get started. To turn the Overdrive Protection feature on or off, simply click on the second icon, the card icon, and scroll down until you see Free Overdraft Coverage. Once activated, you can make purchases with your Cash App card even when you have no money in your account. If your balance goes negative, you'll get a notification from Cash App saying that they've got you covered. However, unlike Cash App loans, you can't choose when to repay the money. As soon as funds hit your account, they'll automatically go towards clearing your overdraft. In addition to overdrive protection, Cash App has introduced a new Buy Now, Pay Later option similar to Afterpay. However, this feature seems to come and go. While researching for this video, I found that it was no longer available. Many others online have reported the same thing. Hopefully, Cash App brings this feature back. That's it for this video, guys. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.